If you're nosy and curious, let's open 5 PR packages together. What if we open from small packages to bigger packages? So this one came almost open. I barely did anything. Packages destroy. This is a gel from Coco Kind. So here it is. So it has aloe and cica. I'm not sure what cica is. Here we have a box. So we got sunglasses. Wow, these are cute. So how does it look? Do they look too big or do they look okay? So usually I make these videos look more aesthetic, but today I'm like, let me make it look more casual, like if you're sitting with me in my living room. Oh, more sunglasses. I like this color. This one has more packaging. So how does it look? It's a little loose, like it feels big on my face, but I love the shape. I love the color. I love these bags because they are reusable clothing. I know what it is now. I remember. These are rompers. I love these. We have beige, pink, and black. This you can wear with a button loose top, with a blazer, like so many ways. Let's open the last package. What is this? A really loose long sleeve top, which is ideal for the fall or winter. Everything you saw here, it's available on Amazon, and all the links will be on my blog. Let me know what was your favorite item, and I'll see you next time. Bye!